Hello and welcome to the 1000 to 1 million trading challenge, sponsored by SlyFoxTrader. I'm happy to share the first week's results. We are very surprised how well this tool works. It's unbelievable. What we achieved in this week is something you will just never get from any bank out there per year, like not even close to that. So I'm super happy and excited to share the results with you. If you haven't watched the last videos, just go back, watch the introduction video, watch every day. We recorded every day the trades we set and the results, and you can just watch them and view how we set the trades, and really completely random trades. And that's why it's so super exciting for us. So let's go straight into it. SlyFoxTrader with the contrarian approach. Just to recap what we did in general. Like we wanted to open 3 trades per day, and sometimes, as we have seen, like that some trades already got closed very fast. We decided to open 3 more trades, but never more than 3 trades at the same time. It's really completely random trading. So we go into one chart, we just uh, um, uh, we just trade with the first thought we have, set the stop loss, also like what we think it could be, and that's it. We are trading always with multi-currency pairs, so we use 3 completely different pairs. And we are using, of course, SlyFoxTrader as EA. It's an expert advisor you can install, and which will do the magic in the background. And we are using, of course, 2 terminals. This is how it works. We are working with MT5 terminal, and yeah. If you want any more details about the strategy, please just go and watch the introduction video. You will also see it at the corner in the right. So before going to the results, and we again want to say thank you to Vantage FX, which is our preferred partner and the broker we trust and we use for this challenge. So if you want to support this challenge, and you want also to participate, we can recommend you to use Vantage FX, and yeah, have fun and support our channel. So let's come to the results. As you can see already, it looks very promising. We are super excited to share the results. So we started with a balance at the beginning of 1,010 euros and 61 cents. There was just some money left there before we deposited 1,000 euros. So we just decided to start with this balance. So it's around 1,000 euros. Day one, it started with a tremendous 50 euros and 27 cents, which is almost 5% in the first day. Just this number by itself is already more than you usually get at any bank in the world. Day two, it was quite a surprise, and you will also see in the video. Just watch the video, and then you will understand why we had to close at minus 1.26%. It started very good. The tool worked very well, but unfortunately, we forgot. We installed everything on local Windows computer, and unfortunately, we forgot to put in the charger. So the computer turned off. The tool didn't work because it was offline. So we are thinking about moving everything to a VPS, or to a virtual private server, and set up everything there. And this one will run 24/7, so it will make sure that this will not happen again. If you would have closed it, um, then it would have been like a very, very good and profitable day. But never mind, we learned from this. And on day number 3, we closed even better than on the first day with over 6%, which is really just crazy. It's incredible. And as you can see here, day number 4, exactly the same. Very, very good profitable results. It was also the last day. We started on a Tuesday, so day 1 was a Tuesday. And as you can see here, the total profit, it's 136.03 cents, which is over 13%, 13.46% in 1 week. It's just crazy. And this already usually is enough to have per month or even per year if you want to have this as a sustainable investment opportunity. So the balance at the end is 1,146 and 64 cents. And yes, it's just unbelievable. We are super happy. And yeah, thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel. It will really support us. And if you want to also to start the challenge, just go to SlyFoxTrader.com and you can slash the challenge. And yeah, we are happy to support you, to assist you. Write down in the comments anything about the challenge. What are your thoughts? You want to also to participate, or did you already start? Feel free to join us. All you need is a broker and SlyFoxTrader, which will give you the opportunity to turn your losses into wins and to also have probably the same awesome results. So let us know what do you think. We will be really happy to support you. Share also your results in the comments or take a screenshot and post it to the Telegram channel. We are happy to see also you succeed and see that there is a way, to fight against the market. And yeah, see you next week and bye.